So this past weekend, I stopped in at Overstock Bins and I only left with one item, which was a pair of Spanx. These are like a fake leather Spanx. These are size extra large and it's Assets Spanx. So I remember whenever these used to sell for really good money. And of course, then it got oversaturated. So I'm going to be listing these today, but I wanted to show you guys how I am going to price the item. I'm going to look up to find out how oversaturated it is, what the majority of items like it have sold for, and that's around the price I'm going to price it at. So let's go look. All right, so I'm here on the Poshmark app, and I'm going to type in the word Spanx. And actually, I'm going to do Assets by Spanx because that's what this brand is. And then I'm going to go up here to pants. We're going to go to leggings. I'm going to make the color black. Then I'm going to do the size, which is extra large. And then I'm going to look low to high. And I'm going to type in faux, just for faux leather. So I first look at the currently listed items and I look low to high in the filter over here just to see what the lowest price is. So right now we have a pair for $20, then it goes up to $25, $28, $28, $30, $31, $34. And as you can see, I'm just going to keep scrolling up to $70. So I know that I'm not going to be able to get 70 for these. What I do after this is I go and look at the sold listings. So what I like to do when I look at the sold listings is sort by low to high when it comes to price. And then I start counting the amounts. So for example, we're going to look at $15. So I'm going to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 items sold for 15 bucks. So I'm going to look down at the next, which would be 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 items sold for $20 like mine. And then I would go down to the next, which is 25. And I just keep doing this. And as you can see, these will only go up to, I think, $70. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, $69. So these are not going to sell for 50. These are not going to sell for 40. These are more than likely going to sell for $20. So since these aren't the actual brand Spanx, these are going to sell for less. You can buy these at Target. I think you can buy them at Kohl's. So these are definitely going to sell for around 20 bucks. I am going to price them at 25, but that is how I do my pricing. So hopefully that was helpful to some of you. Let me know how you do yours. Bye.